Hi guys, Stephanie here with All Mom Does, and I have my two 10-year-old helpers, Mackenzie and Olivia here. It's a rainy day where we live, and so I'm doing tons of chores and realized that my pots and pans are pretty gross. And so I saw this hack I've never tried before, but apparently if you take a lemon and baking soda, it's gonna cure it. So we're gonna try it out. So I've got one lemon I cut into two, and then I have baking soda. I'm gonna just sprinkle the baking soda onto the lemons, and then they're gonna see if this works. So here's the before of the pan, or yeah, that's pretty gross. Okay, and let's see, give it a go. Just get after it. Like scrub the lemon and the baking soda. Really get on the edges where it's disgusting. Kind of squeeze the lemon maybe. Just keep going. I should have put more towels down. We're learning as we go, everyone. Okay, it's looking like it's kind of working. I did sprinkle some more baking soda down on it. I'm gonna put a little bit more to have them continue just rubbing it in with the lemons. This is also, pro tip, a great way to get your kids to help with chores. I don't even think they know that they're doing chores right now. Okay, so overall, it didn't get everything, but it actually did kind of work and kind of fun. So lemon and baking soda, sort of for the win. Check out All Mom Does for continued and additional tips, tricks, and daily inspiration.